This is WTAS 102.3 on your FM dial in Crete, Illinois, with studios in Beecher. And once again, we're back with you to provide you with further information as we're receiving the calls. We'll get it down as quickly as possible. If we do not repeat your messages, if it seems to be infrequent, you must understand that we do have a lot of messages here. We're trying to get them out. A call from rescue crews which have been out on the Calumet Expressway checking the stranded autos. They've reported that everything is completely blocked off on Calumet Expressway between Richton Road and Exchange Street. However, the cars that are stranded there, no persons are in the autos, so apparently they have found shelter for all the persons in that area. A wrestling program which was for the boys from Homewood and Flossmoor at HF High School. It was to be held tomorrow. It will be held next Saturday. So that takes care of that. Okay. The message which was relayed regarding fire precautions, please be advised of this once again. If you have a fire plug near you, either shovel the area away. If you can't get to it this evening, get to it the first thing in the morning. Or if you can't do this, then use a broomstick, a long stick of some type, set it up by the plug, tie a bright colored cloth to it, and this will be an indication to the fire personnel that this is where the fire plug is located. The Presbyterian Church of Our Savior at 195th and Peoria in Chicago Heights, no church services Sunday. I'm sure that this will be the case throughout the area. The calls regarding cancellation of church services for Sunday so far have been a little on the light side, but probably they will become hard and heavy for tomorrow. Adolph Scheid, the president of the Columbia Tool Steel Company, has informed us that their company is closed down. They will be closed down, no operation until Monday. Unemployment office, Chicago Heights, closed. Public library naturally closed. Many of the libraries are housing stranded persons, those who have had to abandon their autos. A dinner which was scheduled for this evening, or rather tomorrow, in Stager, the Youth Fellowship Congregation Church of Stager, been rescheduled. It'll be announced at a later date. Still no further word from Rich Central High School. We can logically assume, though, that they are in good shape because we had a call earlier that they have been fed. They were in need of food for a time, but we had word that they were going to attempt to helicopter some food in and drop it in at Rich Central High School. We are confident that this has come to pass, so they should have the food there. Band tryouts Friday, today and tomorrow. Hubbard Trail School in Crete. That's all canceled out. Fill those tubs, containers with water. Have them available. If you have a gas dryer, make sure the outside vent is open. Likewise, if you have a gas space heater, check that outside vent. Make sure that you have it open before you retire tonight. Otherwise, the result may be a backfire, and well, there you have it. A very serious situation. Mrs. Franklin Taylor, her husband has been missing. She still has not received word. Have you heard anything on this yet, Clara?
No, no word yet.
Still no word yet, okay. Mrs. Franklin Taylor of Beecher, her husband is still missing. Mrs. Taylor, if your husband has been located, we'd appreciate a call to let us know so we can add the information to our list here, a list of many lists. And the number is, Mrs. Taylor's number is 946-2540. 946-2540 in Beecher. Mr. Schmidt, the other gentleman missing from Highland and Griffith, Indiana, they've been found safe in South Holland Town Hall, so they are comfortable. They have their shelter. They're well taken care of. We wanted to repeat the item on the Rock Island Railroad, which we will get to, we're hoping shortly. I guess the only thing we can do is grab this stuff and just start again, because I'm sure that we will eventually come to it. Maybe I can thumb through here quickly and put my mitts on it. We'll just take a real quick check. Oh, the Jewel Food Stores. There's something we need to repeat again. Jewel Food Stores. They will have special hours throughout, throughout the weekend, actually. They will be open tomorrow until 9 o'clock, Sunday 10 a.m. to 5. Your Jewel Food Stores throughout the area. Repeating that, special Jewel Food Store hours for the weekend. They will be open tomorrow until 9, Sunday 10 a.m. to 5. Your Jewel Food Stores throughout the area. Rock Island Railroad, here we are. We received this call earlier. They are looking for men and boys to help them clear the tracks of ice and snow, the banks, snow banks and drifts tomorrow. The youngsters, the boys, must be 16 years of age or over. To report for work tomorrow, they will hire you and report tomorrow morning at any of these locations. These locations are in Chicago, 95th and Commercial, 51st and Wentworth, 89th and Vincennes. Those are Chicago locations. Also, Vermont and the railroad tracks in Blue Island, Vermont and the railroad tracks in Blue Island, and the Joliet Yard. So if you are available tomorrow, and by the way, a side note to that, dress warmly, needless to say. Please, please dress warmly. And this goes for anyone who absolutely must venture forth in the weather tomorrow or even this evening. If you cannot dress for the weather, do not attempt it, because you will get out into the snow drifts and you will meet with some very unfortunate circumstances. Mainly snow will bog you down if you are not dressed for it. Don't even try it. Face masks are the order of the day. Make sure you got something covering your ears, and mittens if possible if you have them. They're warmer than gloves. Recommended. Mittens are better than gloves if at all available. Steve Miller in Gary, Indiana, still no word on him. His wife had called. He has been missing, and his whereabouts is not known. He resides at 2519 Georgia in Gary. If you are within listening range, Steve, would you please call home? Superintendent Bill Owler has told us that the Railroad Product Division of Apex Corporation in Washington Street, they're completely closed down until 6 o'clock Monday morning. Rothschild's Park Forest closed. Pierre's Coiffures closed. IHB Railroad Yard, Blue Island, 8 men there at last report in need of food. Also in need of food, lady called in. She's located at 1526 Wentworth Avenue in Chicago Heights. She needs food. Mrs. Daniels, the name, second floor, 1526 Wentworth. No telephone number there. Okay. The fellows at the Bloom Township Market stayed all night last night at the store. They will take 2 or 3 fellows in if they wish to stay.
He'll take some of the fellows that stay at the store.
147 West 10th, I see.